Hey there, fellow gardeners. Are you tired of the constant struggle with traditional drip irrigation systems, leaky hoses, misplaced water lines, and endless frustration? Well, today, I'm excited to share a game changer for your garden, the Vego garden irrigation system. Stick around as we dive into the setup and see if this could be the solution that we've all been waiting for. Before we jump in, I want to hear from you. Have you ever struggled with a drip irrigation system? What was your biggest challenge? Let me know in the comments below. Enter Vego Garden's irrigation system. This system promises to deliver water precisely where it's needed, with adjustable valves for each plant. Whether you're nurturing a tiny seedling or a thirsty watermelon, you can customize the water flow. How cool is that? If you're already intrigued, check out the affiliate link in the description. Remember those bolts we installed earlier? Well, it's time to replace them with the new brackets. Pro tip, if you're starting from scratch, skip the original bolts and go straight to these brackets. Have you ever set up a drip irrigation system before? What tips do you have for beginners? Share your wisdom below. Here's where I made a rookie mistake: cutting the hose too short. Make sure you have enough slack to avoid any leaks. I wanted to make sure I had a nice tight line without any slack, so I went actually a little bit too short on these. And the problem is, if you don't really get them pushed in, you're opening it up for leaks. So I recommend now that you go a little bit longer than you think you need, so you've got enough to push in, even if it might result in a little bit of slack. One of my favorite features is the adjustable nozzles. You just twist the end of it to determine how much water you're getting out, which means whatever type of plant you're watering, you can tailor your watering to it without having to switch out your connectors. If you do want to switch out your connectors and have something more of a spray type connector, they've got that as well. But this direct nozzle, you just adjust it. It's wonderful. Plus, disconnecting hoses is a breeze. You just push in and then pull it out. No more wrestling with stubborn connections. What features do you look for in an irrigation system? Let me know in the comments below. Overall, the Vego Garden irrigation system seems promising. It's easy to set up, customizable, and feels durable at this point. I'll keep you updated throughout the season on how it actually performs. Thanks for joining me on this gardening adventure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. And remember, your comments and experiences are invaluable, so keep them coming. I look forward to growing with you.